Over here, I have dataset that includes dates, location, product types, quantities, and revenue. This is real business data, messy, detailed, and highly relevant. Exactly the kind of data managers struggle to fully understand in Excel. Now, instead of building formulas or dashboards, I can use EasyAIBridge. I will move on to my dashboard. You can upload your Excel or CSV files or connect your Google Sheets. Once you've selected your dataset, move on to Smart Ask. Now, the biggest difference between Excel or Copilot and EasyAIBridge is that you often have to guess how to ask the question. But with EasyAIBridge, you can ask however you want, and it will also give you example prompts and even suggest what to write. That's it. You don't need to know any syntax, no structured commands, just a clear business question, and then you can run your analysis. EasyAIBridge understands the dataset, runs the analysis, and explains the results in plain language. This is where it goes beyond Copilot. You're not just getting a one-off answer, you're building analysis history. Every question you ask is saved. You can revisit it, refine it, or build upon it. For example, I can follow up with a suggested question. Here you go. Simply, I did not need to write anything and I can just move on to Smart Ask. Here you go. I did not have to rebuild anything. Smart Ask helped build upon that data from earlier. Now let's talk about privacy. With EasyAIBridge, you can protect your analysis and dashboards by creating passwords. You can move on to Share Center and set a password. This means that your reports will stay private even when shared. Only people you choose can access the insights. This is especially important for managers and business owners who work with sensitive performance data. Instead of fighting spreadsheets or limited AI helpers, you can get flexible prompts, full question history, private dashboards and reports, and insights built directly from your data. This is Excel AI analysis, but faster, deeper, and designed for decision matters. So don't forget to get your free trial for EasyAIBridge